Hey, I got hit all the way from over there. Right in my face.
Fucking Astro Boy, dude. This guy gets the bad shit. So, dude, he's just some pyro.
Who?
The Astro Boy. Some pyro that started making his own shit. Getting it from fucking China somehow. I don't know. And he's got the best overload shit. He's like all over the internet.
it's
Like
a good one.
Astro Boy.
Dude, you're not gonna believe this. A giant chunk just came
Oh, no.
down and
I
hit my
believe it.
face over, way over
I
there.
believe it.
Well, it was raining over here. the
Yeah,
whole
but
time.
why am I the guy always getting hit?
You got the magnet.
I'm always getting hit too.
Not by big chunks, dude.
Huh?
Like I can handle the little
Have you
rainfall
seen
stuff.
his shirt? His t-shirt? It's